The year is 1792. A fledgling nation, newly independent, faces the daunting task of establishing its own currency. This was no small feat. It required not just economic prowess but a leap of faith. The solution? A simple paper rectangle imbued with a promise, the promise of value, of stability, of a future built on trust. This, in essence, was the birth of the American dollar. Today, the dollar stands as the world's most traded currency, a testament to that early promise. Each bill a testament to American ingenuity and a symbol of its economic might. But how does this unassuming piece of paper come to hold such power? What intricate processes transform ordinary materials into a symbol recognized the world over? Our journey takes us behind the scenes of the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, the birthplace of every dollar bill. Here, history, art, and technology converge in a fascinating dance, creating a currency as rich in symbolism as it is in security. Let us delve into the fascinating world of how the American dollar is made. The journey begins with the raw materials, carefully chosen for their durability and unique properties. Forget ordinary paper. The dollar bill is crafted from a special blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen. This unique composition gives the dollar its distinctive texture and resilience, allowing it to withstand the rigors of daily use. But the story doesn't end there. The ink itself is a closely guarded secret, a unique blend formulated to be both long-lasting and resistant to fading. Each color, carefully chosen, plays a crucial role in the final product, from the familiar green that adorns the back of the bill to the black ink that brings portraits and monuments to life. This blend of cotton, linen, and specialized ink forms the foundation upon which the dollar's security and symbolism are built. It's a testament to the meticulous planning and precision engineering that goes into every single bill. From the very beginning, the materials themselves whisper a tale of durability and trust. The creation of a dollar bill is a surprisingly artistic endeavor. It begins with a team of talented artists and engravers tasked with transforming historical figures and iconic landmarks into miniature masterpieces. Their tools? Not paintbrushes and easels, but specialized engraving tools and a keen eye for detail. Each design undergoes countless revisions, a delicate dance between artistic vision and the practical constraints of security printing. Every line, every curve, every minute detail is carefully considered, not just for its aesthetic appeal, but for its role in the overall security matrix of the bill. This intricate process transforms historical figures like Abraham Lincoln and George Washington into more than just faces on paper money. They become enduring symbols of American ideals, etched not just in the nation's history, but on the very fabric of its currency. The engraver's craft is a dying art, a testament to patience, precision, and an unwavering commitment to quality. Using specialized tools, these skilled artisans meticulously carve the intricate designs into steel plates. These plates, known as master dies, serve as the heart of the printing process. Each line, painstakingly etched into the steel, is a testament to the engraver's skill and artistry. These master dies, carefully guarded and meticulously maintained, can produce millions of impressions, ensuring the consistency and quality of every dollar bill printed. It's a slow and painstaking process, a far cry from the speed and automation of the digital age. Yet it's this very human element, this dedication to traditional craftsmanship, that gives each dollar bill its unique character and enduring value. Section 5. The printing presses roar millions a day every day. The Bureau of Engraving and Printing is a hive of activity, a symphony of sound and motion. Here, massive printing presses, marvels of modern engineering, roar to life, churning out millions of dollar bills each day. The process is a testament to precision timing and intricate coordination. Giant rolls of paper, the special blend of cotton and linen, are fed into the presses. The master dies, carefully inked, press the intricate designs onto the paper with incredible force, creating the raised texture that is unique to U.S. currency. Finally, the sheets of newly printed bills are inspected, cut, and stacked, ready for the next stage of their journey. It's a mesmerizing spectacle, a blend of old-world craftsmanship and modern technology. The sheer volume of currency produced is staggering, a testament to the dollar's role as the lifeblood of the American economy. Section 6. Hidden Guardians, security features that thwart counterfeiters. Counterfeiting is a constant threat, and the Bureau of Engraving and Printing wages a silent war against those who would undermine the integrity of the dollar. That's where the real magic happens. Embedded within each bill are a host of sophisticated security features hidden in plain sight, designed to deter even the most skilled counterfeiters. Consider the watermark, a ghostly image of President Grant visible only when held up to the light, or the security thread, embedded within the paper itself, that glows a distinct color under ultraviolet light. And then, there's the color-shifting ink used on the numeral in the corner of the bill, that changes color depending on the angle of view. These are just a few of the many security features incorporated into every dollar bill. It's a testament to the ingenuity of the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, constantly innovating and staying one step ahead of counterfeiters. Section 7. A journey under lock and key, from mint to your wallet. Once printed, the new dollar bills embark on a carefully controlled journey. They are bundled, counted, and packaged under tight security, ready for distribution to banks and financial institutions across the country. Armored trucks, closely guarded by armed personnel, transport the precious cargo, ensuring its safe arrival. From there, the bills make their way to bank tellers, ATMs, and finally, into the hands of consumers. Every step of the process is carefully monitored and tracked, ensuring the integrity and accountability of the currency. It's a journey that highlights the importance placed on the security and value of the dollar, a journey that underscores its vital role in the American economy. Section 8. The enduring symbol of American commerce. The American dollar is more than just a currency. It's a symbol of American ingenuity, resilience, and economic power. From its humble beginnings as a promise etched in paper, it has evolved into the world's leading currency, a testament to the enduring strength of the American economy. Each bill, a testament to artistry, technology, and security, represents the culmination of a complex and fascinating process. It's a process that reflects the values of precision, innovation, and trust that underpin the American financial system. As you hold a dollar bill in your hand, take a moment to appreciate the intricate journey it has taken, the history it represents, and the countless hands that have played a role in its creation. Section 9. The future of the dollar in a digital age. In today's increasingly digital world, the future of physical currency might seem uncertain. Yet the American dollar, with its rich history and enduring symbolism, is likely to adapt and evolve. While digital transactions become increasingly prevalent, the tangible presence of a dollar bill, the feel of its texture, the sight of its intricate designs, continues to hold a certain allure. Just as the printing presses adapted to new technologies and security features over the centuries, the dollar will undoubtedly continue to evolve alongside the changing landscape of finance. Whether in physical form or digital representation, the American dollar is poised to remain a cornerstone of the global economy for generations to come. The story of the American dollar is a testament to the enduring power of innovation, security, and trust. It's a story that continues to unfold, reminding us that even in a rapidly changing world, some things remain timeless.